Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit Reserve in bright white with LED headlamps, 21-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, heated and ventilated front and rear seats, heated steering wheel, 21,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen display, navigation, remote start system, 10.1-inch rear entertainment screens, panoramic sunroof, hands-free power liftgate, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number D7789.